Today's date is September 15th, and today is truly a remarkable day in history. On September 15th, 1830, the Liverpool to Manchester Railway opened. It's also referred to as the L&MR, and it was the world's first inner-city passenger railway in which all the trains were timeable and were hauled for most of the distance solely by steam locomotives. The line opened on the 15th of September 1830 and ran between the cities of Liverpool and Manchester in northwest England in the United Kingdom. The L&R was primarily built to provide fast transportation of raw materials and finished goods between the port of Liverpool and Miles in Manchester and surrounding cities. In 1845, the L&MR was absorbed by the principal business partners, the Grand Junction Railroad, GSR. The following year, the GSR formed part of the London and Northwestern Railway. And it's a pretty impressive railway. It's got some bricks and some wood and some metal. And it's got some railroad tracks on top. And in 2009, they eventually added some electricity to it. And there's a few dozen stations. And this is a really remarkable railway. You should go check it out, ride it sometime. Ride it all over town. All over Liverpool. So that this all began construction today. And that's what makes today truly a remarkable day in history.